In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the high beam light bulb on your Nissan Armada. Located under the hood in front of the vehicle. Let's get started. On the driver's side of the vehicle, here in front of the engine filter box, we're going to go ahead and stick our hand in here. And it's going to be the first connector that's located right on this side. The first thing we need to do, we need to twist the light bulb to be able to unplug it. So go ahead and twist the whole light bulb assembly. Take it out of the socket. And now we can see the light bulb and the connector. Once we have it out in this position, go ahead and unplug the light bulb. Slide the connector out of the way. And here it is. Now we can go ahead and get our replacement connected. Go ahead and plug it in. Make sure you hear a click and just give it a light wiggle to make sure that it's nice and secure. Now we can go ahead and feed it back onto the socket. If you have issues finding the socket, you can simply go ahead and look on the front of the headlight to help you out. Once you find it, go ahead and lock it in. And that'll be job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.